Hi! Welcome to this little tutorial. Let me show how easy it is to set up the virtual wardrobe. Open your inventory and wear the HUD. Here it is. By default it's filled with some pictures, so you can play around a little bit. But let's add our own photographs. Right-click the HUD, select Edit and go to the Content tab. You see, there are many pictures. But we don't need them at the moment. Just remove them. Please be careful and don't delete the scripts or the note card. Now let's define some categories. Open the categories note card. There are some predefined ones. Let's use our own. What about this? T-shirts, pants, dresses, shoes. There's no need to use virtual wardrobe for fashion only. You can add anything that you can make pictures of. So let's add some cars too. Save the note card and close it. You see? Virtual wardrobe tries to load pictures. So let's go to the photo studio. Most fashion designers deliver pictures with their products, but in most cases they aren't full perm, which is needed for virtual wardrobe. So I included a pose stand to make it easier for you to take pictures. Of course you can use your own one if you like. I prefer this one. It contains several model poses. You can add your own poses of course. I think this one is okay. Now click Hide. The pose stand will become invisible. That's cool. Now we take some pictures. Open the snapshot window. Select Upload. If you like to edit your pictures in an application like Photoshop, select Save Snapshot to hard drive instead. Select an appropriate size. Please note that it must be squarish. 256 should be okay. If you prefer more detailed pictures, choose 512. Now adjust the best angle of view. Please notice that there's a bug in the SL Viewer version 1.19, which leads to distorted pictures. In version 1.20, this issue is fixed. Okay, that's perfect for the shirt. Click Upload. Please remember that you have to pay $10 Linden for each photograph. Here it is. Now let's go to the inventory and have a look at the shirt I'm wearing. Remember the name. And here is the photograph. Now it must be renamed. First, type the category it belongs to. In this case, it should be T-shirts. After the category, type the name of the item. Oops, sorry. Proceed with any item you want to add to the virtual wardrobe HUD. This might be a lot of work depending on how many items you have. But believe me, it's a good chance to clean up your inventory and perhaps to refine things that you forgot for a long time. Now back to the HUD. Open it and drag all the properly named pictures to its Content tab. Virtual wardrobe will immediately start to load them. This may take some time depending on how many items you added. Here we are. Let's first have a look at the categories. To do this, click the Categories button and step through them using the big arrow keys. But for now we'll have a look at the T-shirts. So click Cancel. Now you can step through all the shirts we've added before. To select another category, click the appropriate button, choose a category and click the select button. Here are some pens. Or what about dresses? With these small round buttons you can easily jump to the beginning and the end of each category. Perhaps you ask yourself every morning, what shall I wear today? No problem. Use the random button which shows the list in a random order. And click sort, to go back to alphabetical order again. Finally, let's go to the cars. Wow, this car is cool. Click the picture button to get a photo of it. You see? Virtual Wardrobe can also be used as a texture browser. In this case you may decide to use large-sized pictures. Click the HUD's title to minimize it. Pretty easy, isn't it? Virtual Wardrobe is the ideal tool to bring order to your inventory. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.